The $1,000 question: when to scale beyond ChatGPT. You've tried ChatGPT. It's cheap, fast, and creative. But here's the $1,000 question: when do you scale up to a specialized proposal AI tool? If you're a freelancer or small team handling a few bids, ChatGPT gives you exactly what you need: freedom and affordability. But when the volume grows, deadlines pile up, and compliance gets stricter, that's when the scales tip. Proposal AI offers structure, collaboration, and governance that ChatGPT alone can't. It's not about replacing ChatGPT. It's about knowing when your needs and your stress levels demand more than a simple tool. So if you're standing at the crossroads, unsure when to take the leap, talk to us at Baachu. We'll help you answer the $1,000 question with clarity and confidence.